Space is everything around our planet Earth. It is where stars shine and planets orbit. Space is completely silent and unbelievably big. Imagine the biggest thing you can. Space is even bigger than that. It's hard to understand just how big it is. Space is not completely empty. It has tiny particles and different types of radiation. But the distances between objects in space are vast. Learning about space helps us understand our place in the universe. It's a big, mysterious place with lots to discover. Stars are giant balls of hot gas that produce light and heat. They come in different sizes and colors. Our sun is a star, and it's a medium-sized one. Some stars are much bigger and hotter than our sun. Others are smaller and cooler. Stars are very far away from us, which is why they look so small in the night sky. The twinkling of stars is caused by Earth's atmosphere. The light from the stars gets bent as it passes through the air, making them appear to twinkle. Stars are fascinating objects that play a crucial role in the universe. They produce elements that are essential for life, and their light helps us study the cosmos. Planets are large objects that orbit stars. They don't produce their own light but reflect the light of their stars. Our Earth is a planet, and it orbits the Sun. There are 8 planets in our solar system, each with its own unique characteristics. Some planets are rocky like Earth, while others are gas giants. Planets are constantly moving, orbiting their stars in predictable paths. Some planets have moons that orbit them, just like our moon orbits Earth. Studying planets helps us learn about the formation and evolution of planetary systems, including our own. It also allows us to search for signs of life beyond Earth. Galaxies are vast collections of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter held together by gravity. They come in different shapes and sizes, and our Milky Way is a spiral galaxy. Our solar system is just a tiny part of the Milky Way galaxy. There are billions of stars in our galaxy, and there are billions of galaxies in the observable universe. Galaxies are constantly moving and interacting with each other. Collisions between galaxies can trigger the formation of new stars and shape the evolution of galaxies. The study of galaxies helps us understand the large-scale structure and evolution of the universe. It also provides insights into the nature of dark matter and dark energy. Section 5. The vastness of space. Space is incredibly vast, stretching far beyond what we can see with the naked eye. It's hard to imagine how big it really is. The universe is so expansive that even our most powerful telescopes can only capture a fraction of it. Light travels very fast at about 186,000 miles per second, but it still takes time for it to travel through space. For instance, light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. When we look at stars, we are seeing light that has traveled for many years to reach us. Some of the stars we see are hundreds or even thousands of light years away. Some of the stars we see in the night sky may no longer exist. They might have burned out millions of years ago, but their light is still traveling through space to reach us. The distances between objects in space are so vast that we use light years to measure them. A light year is about 5.88 trillion miles. A light year is the distance that light travels in 1 year. This unit helps us comprehend the immense scale of the universe. The vastness of space is both humbling and awe-inspiring. It makes us realize how small we are in the grand scheme of things. It reminds us of how much more there is to discover and explore beyond our planet. The mysteries of the universe are endless, and each discovery leads to new questions and wonders. Section 6. Fun facts about space. Space is vast and full of wonders that continue to amaze us every day. Did you know that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth? Imagine every tiny grain of sand representing a star, and then multiply that by all the beaches and deserts on our planet. It's mind-boggling. That's a lot of stars. Each one of those stars could have its own planets, potentially harboring life. The footprints left on the moon by the Apollo astronauts will stay there for millions of years because there's no wind or rain to wash them away. The moon's surface is like a time capsule preserving the history of human exploration. You wouldn't be able to walk on Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, or Neptune because they are gas giants and don't have solid surfaces. These planets are composed mostly of hydrogen and helium, with swirling clouds and storms. Sunset on Mars appears blue. Unlike Earth, where sunsets are red and orange, the Martian atmosphere scatters sunlight differently. That's because of the way the Martian atmosphere scatters sunlight. The fine dust particles in the atmosphere filter out the red light, making the sky appear blue at sunset. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. This means that Venus takes more time to complete one rotation on its axis than it does to orbit the Sun. It takes Venus longer to rotate on its axis than it does to orbit the Sun. This unique rotation pattern makes Venus one of the most fascinating planets in our solar system. These are just a few of the many amazing things about space. The universe is full of mysteries and wonders waiting to be discovered. There's so much more to learn and discover. From black holes to distant galaxies, space exploration continues to push the boundaries of our knowledge and imagination. Section 7. Exploring the Great Unknown. The vast expanse of space has always intrigued humanity, pushing us to explore beyond our home planet. We use telescopes to see distant objects in space. These powerful instruments allow us to peer into the depths of the universe, revealing secrets hidden in the stars. Telescopes collect light and help us see things that are very far away. By capturing light from distant galaxies, they provide us with a window into the past, showing us how the universe has evolved over billions of years. Scientists are always learning new things about space. Every discovery, no matter how small, adds to our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. We send probes and rovers to other planets to study them up close. These missions allow us to gather detailed information about the surfaces, atmospheres, and potential for life on other worlds. These robotic explorers send back valuable information and images. The data they collect helps scientists make groundbreaking discoveries and plan future missions. Humans have even walked on the moon. The Apollo missions were a monumental achievement, demonstrating our ability to reach and explore other celestial bodies. Space exploration is important because it helps us understand our place in the universe. By studying the cosmos, we gain insights into the origins of our solar system and the potential for life elsewhere. It also leads to new technologies and discoveries that benefit humanity. Innovations developed for space missions often find applications here on Earth, improving our daily lives. By studying space, we can learn more about our own planet and find ways to protect it. Observations from space help us monitor climate change, natural disasters, and other environmental challenges. We can also search for resources and explore the possibility of life beyond Earth. The quest to find extraterrestrial life drives many of our missions, pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we can achieve. Section 8. Keep looking up. Space is a fascinating and mysterious place. There's still so much we don't know about it, but that's what makes it so exciting. Next time you're outside on a clear night, look up at the stars and think about all the amazing things that are out there. You might even see a shooting star. Learning about space can inspire us to dream big and reach for the stars. It's a journey of discovery that never ends. So, keep looking up and never stop exploring.